Alright, so something a bit different now. We're going to talk about science communications, by which we're talking about the external communication. So not how we communicate with each other, but how we communicate what we're doing here with everybody else. So Clara sort of covered this, but as she said, if you're sort of thinking about things in your own country, which could be translations, could be different sorts of social media, you know, who do you reach out to there, please get in touch with me. As they said, these slides have been available and my email address is at the end of them, or grab me. I'm only here today, unfortunately, but do grab hold of me. I'm happy to speak to anybody about sort of any coordinating or help that you need in your own countries. So just a quick thing sort of around disseminating what we're doing. This is a really important part of the cost action, and I'm here to try and help coordinate that and what we do. In order that I can keep track of things over the next 4 years, what we've done is create a Google form. It's really easy to use. I think a lot of you have filled them in already for sort of management things that we've been doing. But then again, when you have these slides, there's a link straight to the form and the slides. It will also be available on the Google Drive that we're going to share with you. You just fill in the form, really straightforward, and that actually automatically creates a spreadsheet for me that I'll be able to keep track of everything that you guys have done, which is that would be great when it comes to like bringing together all the work that everybody's done. It also means that I should have an overview, so if you're planning on doing something and you don't know where to begin, feel free to contact me. I can let you know if anybody else has done something similar, or we can work on it together and then sort of make things available to other people to work on. Because it's really, it'd be really great if we had this coordinated approach that everything coming from EVBRES has a similar feel about it. And so on that note, another part that we have on the Google Drive is this EVBRES communication folder, which I've sort of highlighted there. And so within that, there's going to be things like the logo, letterheads if you need to write an EVBRES official letter to anybody at all, and also the presentation slides with the EVBRES logo on it and that front page and things. And there's a sort of internal set of slides. We've also started to produce an external set of slides which has some brief information about who we are and what we're doing. And it'd be great to work with you on those. And again, if you end up having to translate them, we can store central copies so that people can use sort of versions in different languages and not have to translate every time. Having said that, when you use the EVBRES logo, the evidence-based research bit under EVBRES is part of the logo, so don't translate that within the logo. Please stick with the logo how it is. As I was putting the slides together, it became clear to me I probably need to come up with a bit more guidance about how we use the logo. So I will come up with some more official sort of things. But at the moment, please stick to using the logo when it's EVBRES official business. If you want to say that you're part of EVBRES and use our logo, I will come up with some guidance about how to do that. So really happy, we've got the website launched. That was a big thing for this meeting to have this up and running. So it's there, it's evbres.eu, which hopefully is quite simple for everybody to find. We're going to get a photo today because I want to update that photo from Brussels with a photo of everybody that's here today. And please go and look at the website, let us know what you think, because it's there, it's up and running, but we want to be adding to it all the time. It's really important that we keep track of what we're doing here. Again, the main point of the website is for people that aren't that familiar with EVBRES. So if things are quite basic, then that's why it's a place for you to send people that want to know more. So if you find things are missing there, we will upload sort of videos and other media and things there, so it's all available. But yeah, feedback really appreciated on that, and I'm very happy to adapt it as we go along. So social media, at the moment we've stuck with Twitter. We don't have a Facebook page or anything. I'm very interested to hear from people if they feel we need other social media accounts. At the moment Edward's doing a great job of helping us with some Spanish language or sort of related to that EVBRES, either directly on there or sort of retweeting things that we've done. Again, I'm very happy to work like that. If anybody feels that they would like a separate EVBRES account in a different language, get in touch with me and we'll talk about it. If anybody's not on Twitter and would like to be, then get in touch with me. I'm very happy to help you get started with that, and Edward is here as well, I'm sure, can help people get on board. If you are on Twitter, please follow us. We'll follow you back. But I think I took this slide the picture a couple of days ago. I think we're already up to 80 something followers, so it's going really well. We only started it last week. So working with the media, haven't done much of yet, and obviously as we go on with the action, that's going to get more and more important. Next month I'm off to Brussels to learn a lot more about how they want us to be liaising with the media and things, so I'm going to sort of feed back to you all after that. If anybody has got any experience of working with the media in their countries, and whether that is sort of scientific publications, the actual press, sort of your medical authorities and things, just again, please get in touch with me, because it would be really great to keep a plan of how we're sort of doing this in different countries. And I'm very happy again to, if you've got experience, please get in touch with me. If you haven't and would like to be sort of advocating on that kind of level, then please let me know.